Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digital Classes, subject Chemistry, class 12th, chapter 7. We will see in this video about preparation of ammonia, but first of all we will see preparation of dinitrogen. So dinitrogen means N2 gas. How it is prepared? Dinitrogen gas is produced commercially by the liquefaction and the fractional distillation of air. Liquid dinitrogen, whose boiling point is 77.2 Kelvin, distilled out first, leaving behind the liquid oxygen. In the laboratory, dinitrogen is prepared by the treating an aqueous solution of ammonium chloride with sodium nitrite. NH4Cl, NaNO2 will get N2, 2H2O and NaCl. The amount of NO and HNO3 are also formed in this reaction. These impurities can be removed by passing the gas through the aqueous sulfuric acid containing potassium dichromate. It can also be obtained by the thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate. NH4 twice, Cr2O7 heat to N2 plus H2O plus Cr2O3. Very pure nitrogen can be obtained by thermal decomposition of sodium and barium azide. BaN3 twice, we'll get Ba3N2. Properties of nitrogen gas. Dinitrogen is a colorless, odorless, tasteless and non-toxic gas. Nitrogen atom has two stable isotopes whose atomic number is 14 and 15. It has a very low solubility in water. Dinitrogen is inert at room temperature because of the high bond enthalpy. Now one important property of nitrogen gas is it combines with hydrogen at 773 Kelvin in the presence of catalyst, which is also called Haber process, to form ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 arrow, 773 Kelvin will get 2NH3. Enthalpy change for this reaction is minus 46.1 kilojoule per mole. Dinitrogen is also combined with dioxygen only at very high temperature to form nitric oxide. N2 plus O2 heat, 2NO. Now uses. The main use of dinitrogen is in the manufacturing of ammonia and other industrial chemicals containing nitrogen like calcium cyanamide. It is also find uses where inert atmosphere is required, for example in iron and steel industry. Inert diluent for reactive chemicals, and liquid dinitrogen is used as a refrigerant to preserve biological materials, food items, and in cryosurgery. Write the reaction of thermal decomposition of sodium azide. 2NaN3, 2Na plus 3N2. In text, why N2 is less reactive at room temperature? Due to high ionization bond enthalpy. Ammonia. This is very important. It is also asked in the examination how ammonia is prepared. Haber process आ चुका है क्लास 12th में लिखने के लिए. So ammonia is present in small quantities in air and the soil where it is formed by the decay of nitrogenous organic material, for example urea. Urea is converted into when urea react with water, it convert into ammonium carbonate and then ammonium carbonate is converted into ammonia plus H2O plus CO2. On a small scale, ammonia is obtained from the ammonium salt, which decompose when treated with caustic soda KOH or calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Ammonium chloride ammonia plus H2O plus CaCl2 when react with calcium hydroxide and or sodium hydroxide. On a large scale, ammonia is manufactured by the Haber process. N2 plus 3H2 reversible reaction to NH3G, all are in gaseous state. Enthalpy of formation fusion is minus 46.1 kilojoule per mole. According to Le Satirier principle, high pressure would favor the formation of ammonia. The optimum condition for the production of ammonia are a pressure of 200 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, about 200 atmospheric pressure at a temperature of nearly about 700 Kelvin, and the use of a catalyst such as iron oxide with a small amount of K2O or and Al2O3 to increase the rate of attainment of equilibrium. The flow chart for production of ammonia. Earlier, iron was used as a catalyst with molybdenum as a promoter. So this is a diagram you have to draw in the examination. Flow chart for the manufacturing of ammonia gas. H2 and N2 are taken from a two cylinder where a compressor generate the pressure of 20 megapascal. Then these two gases further propelled in a catalyst chamber where iron oxide and Al2O3 plus K2O is kept at 700 Kelvin. So here we'll get the mixture of gases like N2H2 plus NH3. Then this gaseous solution is passed through a condenser where liquid NH3 is formed, and the residual gases like N2 and H2 again sucked by the vacuum pump, and that pump again sent it to catalyst. You can see the diagram of ammonia and the central atom of nitrogen atom. On the left hand side there are two lone pair electron and three hydrogen atom. The properties of ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent odor. Its freezing and boiling points are 198 and 239.7 Kelvin respectively. In the solid and liquid state, it is associated through the hydrogen bonds as in the case of water, and that accounts for its higher melting and boiling point than expected. Ammonia gas is highly soluble in water in aqueous solution, weakly basic due to the formation of OH minus ion. When it the presence of lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom, the ammonia molecule make is Lewis base. So ammonia also behave as a Lewis base. It donates the electron pair and form linkage with metal ions, then the formation of such complex compound. Ammonium tetraamine कॉपर 2 आयन डीप ब्लू कलर का होता है. Now uses of ammonia. Ammonia is used to produce various nitrogenous fertilizers like ammonium nitrate, urea, ammonium phosphate and ammonium sulfate, and in the manufacturing of some inorganic nitrogenous compound, the most important of being nitric acid. Liquid ammonia is also used as a refrigerant. Why does NH3 act as a Lewis base? Because nitrogen atom in NH3 has one lone pair of electron which is available for donation to other molecules like BF3, boron trifluoride. Therefore it acts as a Lewis base. Now oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen forms a number of oxide in different oxidation state. The names and the formula and preparation and physical properties of this oxide is given in table 7.3. So first oxide of nitrogen is N2O. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज +1, कलरलेस गैस है, न्यूट्रल होती है. नाइट्रोजन मोनोऑक्साइड, इसमें नाइट्रोजन की वैलेंसी 2 होती है, कलरलेस गैस है, ये भी न्यूट्रल है. डाई नाइट्रोजन ट्राईऑक्साइड N2O3 होता है, इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +3 होती है नाइट्रोजन की. NO2 में +4 होती है, N2O4 में भी +4 होती है और N2O5 में +5 होती है. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, कलर दिए हुए हैं, कैरेक्टर दिया हुआ है, एसिडिक होगा, बेसिक होगा. एसिडिक ही है मोस्टली नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड. नॉन मेटल के ऑक्साइड वैसे भी न्यूट्रल या एसिडिक होते हैं. Lewis dot main resonance structure and the bond parameters of oxide are generally not asked in examination. Why does NO2 dimerize? NO2 contains odd number of valence electron. It behaves as a typical odd molecule. On dimerization, it is converted to stable N2O4 molecule with even number of electrons. Nitrogen forms oxo acids such as H2N2O2, which is also called hyponitrous acid, HNO2 nitrous acid, and HNO3 nitric acid. Amongst them, HNO3 is the most important. Nitric acid is the most important one. Preparation: how nitric acid is prepared in the laboratory. Nitric acid is prepared by heating KNO3 and NaNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 in a glass retort. NaNO3 plus H2SO4 will get NaHSO4 plus HNO3. Sodium hydrogen sulfate. On a large scale, it is prepared mainly by Ostwald process. This method is based upon the catalytic oxidation of ammonia by atmospheric oxygen. This is very important, may be asked in examination. Write the preparation of nitrogen gas by Ostwald process. So you have to write this answer from here. This method is based upon catalytic oxidation of ammonia by atmospheric oxygen. In that case, 4NH3 will react with 5O2 in presence of platinum or rhodium gauge catalyst at 500 Kelvin and at 9 bar atmospheric pressure. You will get 4NO plus 6H2O. Then again nitric oxide thus formed combines with oxygen giving NO2. 2NO plus O2 you will get 2NO2. Nitrogen dioxide so formed dissolved in water to give HNO3. So thus formed nitrous oxide thus formed is recycled, and the aqueous HNO3 can be concentrated by the distillation up to 68% by mass. Further concentration to 98% can be achieved by the dehydration of concentrated with concentrated H2SO4. On the left hand side you can see the structure of nitric acid HNO3. Bond length is also given and bond angle is also given. Properties: nitric acid, it is a colorless liquid. Laboratory grade nitric acid contains 68% of HNO3 by mass and has a specific gravity of 1.504. In the gaseous state, HNO3 exists as a planar molecule. You can see the diagram on the left hand side. In aqueous solution, nitric acid behaves as a strong acid giving hydronium ion and nitrate ion. Concentrated nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. and attacks most metals except noble metals like gold and platinum. The products of oxidation depend upon the concentration of the acid. Why gold and platinum are called noble metal? Because they do not react with atmospheric oxygen. So this is the manufacturing process and the properties of chemical properties of nitric acid. It reacts with metal. Equation is given for zinc. And non-metals also. Uses: the major use of nitric acid in the manufacturing of ammonium nitrate for fertilizers and other nitrates for the use in explosive and pyrotechnics. It is also used for the preparation of nitroglycerin, trinitrotoluene, and other organic nitro compounds. Other major uses are in the pickling of stainless steel, etching of metals, and another oxidizer in rocket fuel. The next video will see about phosphorus allotrophic forms. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.